Smriti Irani returning as Tulsi in Kyuki 2. Shooting begins under tight security. Smriti Irani is returning as Tulsi in Kyuki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi 2, with shooting officially starting after 17 years since the original show's end in 2008. The iconic drama, which aired from 2000 to 2008, is making a comeback, bringing back the emotional family dynamics that made it a hit. Now, with cameras rolling again, a new era begins with the return of Tulsi, and this time, it's bigger, bolder, and highly secure. Shooting begins amid high security. According to confirmed reports, Smriti Irani has started shooting for season 2. Given her stature as a union minister in India and the importance of the show's revival, the production has enforced tight security protocols. Smriti Irani has been granted Z+ security, one of the highest security levels in India. Only Smriti Irani, producer Ekta Kapoor, and co-actor Amar Upadhyay are allowed to use mobile phones on set. All other team members are strictly prohibited from using mobile phones, and some reports suggest that their phones are being monitored taped. The entire shooting location is under surveillance to prevent any leaks and to maintain confidentiality about the storyline and characters. Is Mihir also returning? Rumors suggest that Amar Upadhyay, who played Mihir, Tulsi's husband, in the original show, will also reprise his role in sequel. If true, this could mean the return of Indian TV's most beloved couple. Ekta Kapoor drops hints. In a recent media interaction, producer Ekta Kapoor hinted at a major comeback. Without revealing names, she said, "I'm working on a project that features a well-known politician." It didn't take long for fans to connect the dots, and now it's confirmed that politician is none other than Smriti Irani herself. Fans rejoice across social media. For months, fans have been eagerly waiting for an official announcement about Kyuki 2. Now that Smriti is back on set, anticipation has skyrocketed. Social media is buzzing with throwback clips, memes, and emotional posts celebrating Tulsi's return. Key details at a glance. Aspect details. Show title: Kyuki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. Lead actress Smriti Irani as Tulsi. Co-star rumored Amar Upadhyay as Mihir. Producer Ekta Kapoor. Security level Z+ security. Shooting status started under tight security. Airing platform yet to be officially announced. New season, new storyline. While the makers are tight-lipped about the plots, speculation is rife that Tulsi may now take on the role of the Saas in this new generational drama. Will the new season continue where the old one left off, or will it feature a fresh take on family dynamics? Fans are waiting eagerly to find out. What can viewers expect? High-voltage drama rooted in Indian family values, emotional storytelling and powerful dialogues, a mix of traditional and modern themes, a nostalgic yet contemporary experience. Kyuki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi 2 is not just a show, it is the return of a legacy. With Smriti Irani stepping back into the role of Tulsi, television audiences are ready for a wave of nostalgia, drama, and unforgettable moments. All eyes are now on when the first teaser will drop and when the premiere date will be announced. Are you excited to see Tulsi back on screen? Let us know, because Indian TV is about to relive its golden era once again.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.